Ndagitari umwe uria onane muthingati wa mubunjia urigweta Prophet Hawo na kinyite mbere ya kamiti ya Senate iria igucunkuna mekarika ma Shakahola na kuga kuri na gitumi kia thirikari gwikira watho wa kurikithia KETHIRA ni uma athinjiri ni maombaga kuringa ciama na gutuma arwaru makabura kanari bwicite ori akinya maingi methirite njorani cia abunje mama makienda maborua na mamu magatetheka na mangi makathongira nani tairia ya Shakahola ya Paul Mackenzie.
Na gikaro ya kamiti ya mwanya bunge sinitiretho thongona na kujukia maoni kumani karikara Shakahola ntukana bo tunathingati badini ya repentance na holiness David Aworo nteto chithiro chigaroka na kwati moni bakodro bejokia abo bathongona
in this very esteemed committee.
Akiama bakameteze batongirete mukarigete sine tokumoroto watanariva Danson Mungatana ibara maneno na thingati baba edhire ko batere kagita kawita miunjiza nteto jikethro kyora ni moko mwe ITV cha kancheu.
Live coverage first of all exposes the lies and should be encouraged.
What instruction is that sick person being given after the healing is now declared that you are healed?
And it should be on record that all other churches should copy from this church of the prophet, of the Ministry of Repentance and Holiness, where if a miracle has happened, we involve the doctors from Kenya who are registered by the Kenya Medical Practitioners Board to confirm whether truly a miracle happened.
Nayo nteto muja David Aworo kwethirwe ciita na gichonko the mightiest prophet ningi ikirega rumurutira.
Where did we come in to call him mightiest? As we saw the works he is doing, that someone can come and say, when I get to Bomet Kyogong grounds tomorrow in less than 24 hours, then I will command heaven to open.
Excuse me.
Yes, please.
Na kwamba madai ni kwamba dhehebu lenu linawazuia watu kula hilo tunda katika mfumo wa kanisa. Sasa mnaruhusiwa kula ama la?
The fruit that Adam and Eve ate was not what you may mean. God created them and said, go and multiply.
Ndekithiria arawikira motho kiri dini ningithiro kiringiro igoro na thingati baba Aworo na nyankoro kim Bishop Margaret Wanjiru wa Jesus is Alive Ministry oro kadiku.
You'll find people with fake this, fake that. And that is why we are creating a system that can hold each other accountable. That if we realize Mr. X or Preacher X is fake and is doing the wrong thing, there is an institution that can hold the X responsible and say, hey, you can't continue with this.
Kamiti je Mungatana nithitwo kagite kithungu ni kundi mwanya mwanya na inyanto biombe ugukoni nteto Shakahola na koribere kwithira berata report yao iromba kwithira ikiende kithiire kwithira kuna sheria shokale nteto shandini nke report ranto Sharo TV kumaja kengina ngine na kinene ke mshusha Nairobi